There are many herbal and natural remedies available that may help. So what herbal and natural remedies can help? Reishi mushroom. Reishi is in a class of herbs called adaptogens. These help you adapt to stresses of modern life. They regulate the body's stress response via their tonic actions on the adrenal glands. This medicinal mushroom is calming and relaxing and is one of the best herbs for anxiety. It can be taken just before bed. Street. John's wort. St. John's wort is also known as Hypericum perforatum. This herbal plant has been a mental health treatment for hundreds of years. However, use with caution as a potential treatment for depression. Whilst St. John's wort is more effective than a placebo for treating mild to moderate depression, and works almost as well as antidepressant medications, St. John's wort can also interfere with the effects of antidepressant medication. You should seek medical advice if considering use of this herb. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, also an adaptogen, can significantly reduce the symptoms of anxiety. It can improve cortisol levels by resetting adrenal-associated stress. This reduces your predisposition to anxiety. Vitex. Vitex is also known as chasteberry or chaste tree. It helps reduce anxiety, especially for women just before periods with PMS. Vitex has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety that occur during PMS. Another herb that works well with Vitex, which helps with PMS, is motherwort. Turmeric, curcumin. Turmeric has been found to be beneficial in treating both depression and anxiety. Turmeric is a root, which when fresh doesn't look too dissimilar to its cousin, ginger root. It contains phytochemicals that reverse inflammation. Curcumin is one of the principal ingredients derived from the spice turmeric. It has particularly powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which are helpful in reducing anxiety. Lavender. Lavender is one of our most effective herbs for anxiety, both for chronic anxiety and acute situations. Lavender oil is popular for relaxation and reducing anxiety and mood disturbances. Ginseng. Ginseng comes from the gnarled root of the American or Asian ginseng plant. Practitioners of Chinese medicine have used ginseng for thousands of years. It helps people improve mental clarity, provides energy and reduce the effects of stress. Chamomile. Chamomile is a mild sedative with relaxing anti-stress qualities. Chamomile tea is believed to help restful sleep. Chamomile is a daisy-like plant that has been used for medicinal purposes since the Middle Ages. Like other herbal teas, chamomile contains no caffeine. Lemon balm. Known as the gladdening herb, lemon balm has been used for hundreds of years. It brightens the spirit. It increases a sense of calm and decreases anxiety. It is a good herb to combine with chamomile and lavender tea. It is a very mild sedative, therefore is something you want to use in the evenings or on days off. Kava kava. Kava kava is an excellent emergency remedy for panic attack. It is great to use when there is stage fright, test anxiety, or fear of flying. 3 or 4 drops is often a sufficient dose of kava. While it is safe for occasional use, a few times a month, heavy usage can affect the liver. Kava kava can be taken alone in capsules or herbal tincture. Herbal tinctures, liquid extracts of the herb, are an easy way to take herbs. These potent liquid extracts allow you to take a tiny concentrated dose dissolved in water. In summary, herbal remedy for depression, anxiety and panic attack may work well for some people. We would recommend seeking expert advice beforehand though. We have left some recommendations in the description below, to help guide you further. A person taking herbal supplements must inform their doctor. These have the potential to cause side effects and interact with other drugs.
10 herbs that kill viruses and clear mucus from your lungs. White horebound. Not to be confused with black horebound, which is used for quite different purposes, white horebound is best known as a remedy for respiratory conditions such as colds and bronchitis, especially when there is catarrh that is difficult to expel by coughing. White horebound relaxes the bronchial muscles while at the same time encouraging easier removal of mucus from lungs. Sage. A sore throat soother, sage is an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial remedy and is frequently used as a mouthwash and gargle for sore throats, gum infections, tonsillitis, and mouth ulcers. Andrographis. Clinically proven to reduce symptoms of respiratory infection, it's used in many parts of Asia for the treatment of infectious and feverish conditions. Andrographis has been investigated in several trials, and these studies document improvements in symptoms of cold and flu and pharyngeal tonsillitis, such as fatigue, sore throat, muscle aches, shivering, excess nasal secretions, sinusitis, and headache. Thyme. Antimicrobial and antipasmotic, the essential oil of thyme is regarded as one of nature's most potent antimicrobial substances, so herbalists commonly prescribe the plant to resolve respiratory tract infections such as colds, flu, tonsillitis, and laryngitis. It also has antipasmodic properties, so it can be used to help reduce coughing. Garlic. Garlic is a broad-spectrum infection fighter, and in vitro research it's shown that garlic and several of its constituents have broad-spectrum activity against a wide variety of disease-causing organisms, including strains of the virus that causes flu. Garlic also helps fight colds and flu by enhancing the activity of immune cells, and when taken prophylactically, that is, as a preventative medicine, may help protect you from catching a cold. Marshmallow. Marshmallow is a soothing expectorant for irritated airways. Both the roots and leaves of the marshmallow plant can be used to treat coughs. However, herbalists have preferred the root for its higher mucilage content, which is responsible for the herb's soothing actions on the respiratory mucous membranes. Marshmallow is traditionally indicated to relieve irritated and inflamed throats and airways, and to help expel mucus when lungs are congested. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which is an ingredient that can relax the muscles of the respiratory tract, so it makes breathing more easy. This combination with the antioxidant properties of the peppermint and potent antihistamine, menthol becomes a powerful decongestant. Licorice root. Licorice root is one of the most scientifically researched herbal medicines of our time.